Cursed be Harun al Rasheed from the 17th of the 7th month of 1446. Cursed be Harun al Rasheed. Rather than just, your enmity with your people far outweighed your creed. Formerly Zoroastrians and Buddhists, the Barmakids may have been known for the art and science they did breed, but your conflicts and higher taxes were of no one's need. Faltering with fear of the divine, his treacherous nature really favored display and reads. Storytelling and whitewashing hides who he was in what we read. Al Baramakia or Al Baramakiat, if you continue after that, is how you say Barmakids. And they were an Iranian family from Balkh. And Abu Ja'far Harun ibn Muhammad al-Mahdi was what he was more fully known as, R. Harun ibn al-Mahdi, and he is known for the deaths of some prominent Shia and persecuting Muslims and excusing criminals if they were artistic enough or contributed to science enough. You could say it was good that he did some things and thought some things and all that, but it does seem that the conflicts that they took part in were, you know, outweighed that, despite the positive message that we see attached in terms of poets, particularly the non-Muslim like Khalil Gibran and Alfred Tennyson, Henry Wadsworth Longfellow.